Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a drop shadow to text, images, or even videos. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro and we have our sample image right here that we'll be adding a drop shadow to. So we have our video as a background right there. So to do this, you need to go into Effect panel, and from here you want to type in drop shadow. And then you'd be able to see drop shadow under video effects, and you want to drag it here into your image. Or you can also apply this to text or videos. And then from here, you want to go into Effect Controls, and then you can see the drop shadow right here. You can modify the controls. And then from here, I like to get my opacity into around 70%, and the distance right here so that we can clearly see the shadow just like that right there. And then I like to go pump up the softness right here so that it won't be too hard, and you would have a more realistic shadow right there. And then you could have the direction of your shadow depending on what you want. And yeah, you can modify it according to what you need and what you want. So this is basically how you can add a drop shadow in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.